Okay, hi everyone. This is the way that you are going to sign up in your um, Open Alexa from your MetaMask. All right, so now you're going to, you see the three hamburger bars up at the top, the three lines in your
Yes.
wallet. Okay, you're going to click on that. And now you're going to go to your browser. Click on browser. Now here in the URL, you're going to type portal. Dot open Alexa dot IO. And now go ahead and send. All right. Now in here, you're going to hit sign up. You see it where it says sign up underneath the enter manually. Okay. Now hit sign up again. Here, it wants you to connect to the site. So you're going to hit connect. Right here, you're going to put in the username that was given to you, the referral ID, I should say. And now hit sign up. All right, great, nice and easy. Okay, now here you're going to hit confirm. Sometimes it could take a few minutes. Sometimes it's quick, but you just got to sit and wait for this to go through. All right, there you go. Once you see it says transaction 0 complete, just now you're gonna hit yes to enable and allow. All right. Now, just to confirm that this did go through, you're going to go scroll back up. And where it says login automatically, I'm going to click on that. And then this is the promotion that they're showing that they're running. So you can click on the X. And here you're going to see that is your ID, where is it 67401. And so you're all set. Now, another thing I do want to say to you is, since you're putting this on the Zoom, if you can go into the where it says portal.open Alexa all the way up at the top, the three lines again, we're going to go back to your wallet and click on wallet. And in here, I'm going to show you how to get your URL. I'm sorry, your OAPs. So you're going to go in, if you can close out of this screen, and I'm going to give you a website to type in.
Oh,
Just close out of there. Now you're just going to go into, okay. So in the website, you're going to type in OAP. For you, the number 4 and the letter U .com. It's right there. Yeah, just hit enter. All right. Now here is basically the Bible for Open Alexa. This in here you'll find everything, all the Zoom calls. You're gonna find all the pre-recorded Zoom calls. Anything that you need to do is basically in here. Continue scrolling down into where you see written, the word written down in there. Keep going. Okay, we're getting there. Next one, right here. It says it says how to add your OAP tokens to MetaMask wallet. You see the address there, the token address. You're going to copy that. It says OX17. Yeah, correct. Now we're going to go back to your MetaMask wallet. And now in here, you're going to text in where it says add tokens. Click on that. And now you're going to hit custom tokens. Now in here in the token address, you're going to paste that address in there. Now let's go to your symbol box right next. It should pop up OAP. Put your cursor, yeah, there you go. Now you're going to scroll down. And you're going to hit add token. Now your OAP popped up, and then right here it's showing you have $19.62. So when you go to buy your package later on, you will get more OAPs in there. And that's basically how you sign up to your Open Alexa and add your OAPs, your tokens. That's it.